The Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine, sold under the brand name Comirnaty, is an mRNA-based COVID-19 vaccine. The German company BioNTech is the initial developer of the vaccine and partnered with American company Pfizer for support with the clinical trials, logistics and manufacturing. It is given by intramuscular injection. It is composed of nucleoside-modified mRNA encoding a mutated form of the spike protein of SARS-CoV-2, which is encapsulated in lipid nanoparticles. The vaccination requires 2 doses given 3 weeks apart. It is one of the 2 RNA vaccines deployed against COVID-19 in 2020, the other being the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine. Clinical trials began in April 2020. By November, the vaccine entered phase 3 clinical trials based on more than 40,000 people. An interim analysis of study data showed a potential efficacy of over 90% in preventing infection within 7 days of a second dose. The most common side effects include mild to moderate pain at the injection site, fatigue, and headache. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.